Hello, this video I'll be going over the sources and uses of funds for a merger and acquisition deal. And for the uses, we're going to need the equity purchase price. And we're going to need the refinance debt. We're going to need the one-time transaction cost. And we're going to need capitalization costs. And for the uses, we're going to need the cash used, going to need the debt used, stock used, and excess cash. Let's take this over. Let's have excess cash. Let me reformat this. For some reason my format changing up a little bit on me. Okay, and for the equity purchase price, is the price that the acquirer is purchasing the target. So let's go up here and get this purchase equity value here. Okay, and refinance debt I have at the top also. And for one-time transaction costs, that's gonna be the fees associated with this deal. So you'll take the purchase equity value, you'll multiply by the advisory fee plus the breakup fee plus legal fees. And these will vary throughout different acquisitions, the amount and whatever the fee is. And the capitalization cost is next. So we need the debt used times the debt issuance fee here. And we need the total of these. I'm going to use a simple summation formula. That's it. Now we go over to our sources side. And for cash used, we're going to use the percent of cash used times the equity value, equity purchase value. I'm going to do the same for debt. We're going to do the same for stock. Okay, we have one more. We need to calculate the excess cash. And this is kind of tricky because it can vary. So to calculate this, first we needed to calculate the total for here, as you've seen already. So we're gonna get this total over here for the uses. We're gonna subtract the sum of the previous items that I listed on the sources here down to the third one. Actually, I need to put a minimum formula in here. And for the first portion of this formula, this minimum formula I'm putting here, I need to have the total of the uses subtracted by the cash, debt, and stock used. I need the minimum of that and the combined cash for the deal. It's the combined cash balance of both companies before the deal minus the minimum cash here. And the whole idea behind minimum cash balance, a company needs a certain amount of cash to operate. And let's see what that gives us. It gives us 500. And I have something wrong here because we are not balancing. Pre-deal balance. I know what it is. It's simply because I chose my own numbers here to have a conceptual presentation, but I'm not going to do that. So because it's throwing off my balance of sources and uses of funds. But that's how you would do that formula if you had actual numbers. I'm just making these numbers up here. So we're gonna just use the original formula that I had for we can balance here. And see, we balance 21,435.61 here, and also here. Actually, that'll be 21 billion because I'm using numbers in millions here. And that's it for this video. And for the next video, I will be doing purchase price allocation. Thanks for watching.